Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create multiple labels on the line chart like this. So this is having a sales trend with profit information, and with the color coding we are clearly showing that sales trend is highlighted with this red color, with profit information is highlighted with the blue color, so that people can interpret this information very easily. So generally you are able to do it only one, you are able to show only one label, but here I will show you how you can show two labels, right, which is very helpful in this scenario. So if you want to get that, I'll show you in a minute. And if you want to grab this workbook, the how to get this workbook is detailed given in the description. Along with that, if you are looking for the data set that I am using, then what you can do is based on the link that I have given, you can come to my dataset folder. In that I have the dataset sheet. In this sheet, which is this particular sheet, you have the sample superstore dataset which I am using for the scenario. Okay, so you can download and follow along with me. Also, if you want to get a hand on all my 300 plus videos that I have published for Power BI for an easy to search manner, then you can grab this workbook. For this also the details in the description. So it has the title, it has the video link, topic category and difficulty levels, just so that it is easy for you to use. Okay, so back to Power BI. Alright, so this is what I created, but let me just show you how you can get it. So for that I will move on to my this workbook, so the data set which I showed you is having the order sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a chart based on the order date. So it will bring all the hierarchy. I will going to remove the day and month, and then I will going to bring on the sales. What it produces basically the sales information, and then what I'll do is go down to next levels to show the quarterly information. Now I need to bring in the labels. So what I can do is I can enable the data labels. So this is enabled for sales, right? So I can go down and I can basically say, okay, value, the color of value I want to give it red, like this one, sort of orangish red. And what I really like is I also bold it. So same location I will bold it so that it is clearly visible. On the general title I will say sales trend, and this one also I will going to get a red color so that it is color coded properly, and I will make a little bit higher big number, right? So sales trend. So once we have this, now the part is where can I go and put the second label. So for that, if I uncheck that, over here in the data labels, sorry, I'm trying to come down, yes, the details section, right? So what I'll do is I will enable the details section, and what I can do is I can bring profit over here, and as I bring profit over here, profit is now displayed over here as a detail, right? And what I can do is I can put it in 1000, right? And decimal values I can make it 0. Same way over here, if I want, I can put it in 1000, and decimal values I will put it 0. So that way it is proper, it will be properly displayed, right? Now the last thing I want to do is for the sum of profit, I want to make sure that it is darkish blue like this, and it is bold, right? So over here we have this sum of profit. I'll just increase the size. I do not have the bold option, as you can see, but what I can do is I can take this particular bold to make it bold, even though the option is not here, but I can still make it bold and 9 color 9. Okay, so with that I can then go over here. Now the thing is I need the second profit information, right? So over here we have something called as, within the title we have something called as subtitle. I enable the subtitle and I will say with profit trend, right? And then we can do is we can make it 12, and let's make it this color, make it bold. Yep, so that way the information is clearly visible. So that way, I want to show you this. This is the way I figured to show when I have to show two different labels on this chart, right? So that way I can give the entire information to my user. So that's what I wanted to show you. With that, thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.